Drive Tesla Canada is reporting that Tesla has started rolling out full self-driving version 12.5.1.5 to owners with the older hardware 3.0 self-driving computer. The public release came just a day after internal testing began with Tesla employees. Initially, version 12.5 was only available for cars with the newer hardware 4.0. Elon Musk had mentioned that optimizing the code for older HW3 computers would take at least 10 days, but it took 23 days in reality. The update, identified as 2024.26.20, started reaching HW3 cars on Thursday night. This update includes all features from Tesla's big summer update. First impressions show impressive performance on HW3 cars. AI DRIVR on X noted smooth handling, improved lane positioning, and better acceleration and braking. Another tester, Zack, also reported good performance, though not as polished as on HW4. A wider release, including to Canadians, could happen this weekend if initial testing goes well. You are listening to Yuan News.